My name is Alex Wilson, and today we're going to talk about drones in India. What is a drone? A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle. They have remotely controlled flight paths, and drones are a quick solution to some problems for a few industries. Who's using drones? Swiggy, Zomato, Dunzo, and Biryani are using drones for delivery in India. So they are replicating what UPS and Amazon are doing. The Indian Army has a fleet of about 30 Heron UAVs, which they use to survey specific areas or kind of scout out certain things. And the police use it to enforce COVID regulations to make sure people are quarantining properly. Why are they using drones? Monitoring climate change, to carrying out search operations after natural disasters, photography, filming, and delivering of goods. Drones are really meant to speed up the overall process of getting something to its end goal, if you will. Where are they using drones? The healthcare industry in India thrives with drones. India is using drones to deliver vaccines quicker and safer, also monitoring those in quarantine, tech companies, and delivery. When are they using drones? Drones will be used when search and rescue is necessary, surveillance, healthcare needs, agriculture, drone photography, and delivery services. The boom for India when it comes to drones is about 2026, and they're putting about, I think it was 3.1 billion into the drones fuel. How drones can help SDGs. So I couldn't really tie them very well, but I figured life on land and good health and well-being were the main two, just because of the agriculture, sending vaccines and whatnot. I figured those two would be the most beneficial SDGs that could be solved.